there. Today I will show you how to oxidize sterling silver using the patina gel that we sell and use ourselves to oxidize silver pieces. So to get started, you'll need an empty container. That's where the mixture will go. It can be glass or plastic. Something to stir the solution with, and something to pick up the silver with out of the solution. We like to use a plastic fork. We of course have our sterling silver, so we'll be doing some chain necklaces today. We have paper towel, and then we have a container of just cool room temperature water. So to get started, we have boiled some water. Now carefully put some of the boiling water into the empty container, enough that will cover the sterling silver, head to toe. We then add a few drops of the patina gel, and it's important to note that we like to oxidize our pieces darker. So the boiling water does that process a bit faster, and it does help with make the patina darker. So if you don't want it as dark, just use warmer water, not boiling, and don't leave your sterling silver pieces in for a longer time. So we add the pieces into the mixture. We take our fork and we stir it around to make sure the solution covers the pieces evenly. So we leave that in for a few minutes, just checking, making sure that the color is what we like. And here it is nice and dark, how we like it. So then we just place the chains into the room temperature cooler water. And this is just to clean any excess solution off the chains. So once we do that, we grab them out with our fork, and we want to place them on the paper towel to dry. So we just dab the chains quickly with the towel, and then we lay them out to dry. Now we have taken a few chains because we like to do several pieces at once, and we attach them at the top with some non-tarnish wire. So this just helps keep the chains untangled. So we just lay them out to dry. So this will take a few minutes, and once we check and the pieces are dry, we then will just need to polish them. So to do that, we just rub them on the paper towel, just a little bit rough, not too much. We don't want to hurt the chain, but enough that then a shine will appear. So we just want to do that with all the pieces of the chain and make sure we get every piece and every part. So once we determine that everything is shiny and to our liking, you're ready to wear. The pieces are dry and they're ready to go.